Metal organic frameworks, or MOFs, are a fascinating class of materials. With the Autografs Builder, you can design and explore your own frameworks, just like these well-known examples. To build a MOF, simply choose a topology, like the FCU topology. The database of secondary building units, or SBUs, will then be filtered to match. Here, a zirconium cluster is paired with a benzene linker, just two of the many available building blocks. Once the structure is generated, it can be quickly optimized using the UFF4MOF2 force field. The database contains a wide variety of SBUs. A zirconium cluster, as in UIO66, a 𝗙𝗿𝗶𝗹, as used in 𝘁𝗿𝗿𝗲1, an octahedral zinc cluster, as in MOF5, or a trinuclear iron cluster, as in 𝗁𝗿𝗎𝗡, and of course, any organic linker you can imagine. You can even design your own SBUs, such as a 𝗁𝗿𝗶𝗹 tetrahedral center. Autografs also allows you to explore defects. For example, build MOF5 with a linker defect, modify it by adding an amine group, set the desired weight, and generate a supercell. With Autografs, building, modifying, and exploring MOFs has never been more accessible. Make sure to check out the links below this video to learn more, or try it yourself as part of the Amsterdam Modeling Suite. Accelerate your chemistry and materials research.